Hi everybody, my name is Hector Sanchez, and in this video I'm going to show you how to display particle candies emitters below certain objects in your screen. So let me show you the current project as it is in GitHub. So let me play it for you. So if you remember from the last video, I showed you how to integrate particle candy into your Kwik project. So let me start the particle over here. As you can see, the particles are showing above the ships over here, and one of the people that commented on the YouTube video that I posted did research on Particle Candy's website, and he found that the solution was to put the emitter into a display group. So thank you for that suggestion, and based on that I'm making this video. So let me show you how to do it. So let me go back here. So I already created some groups. Let me delete them so I can start from scratch. Okay, so these are gone. This is just a project as it was originally. Here I have the two groups only, one for the rocket. The rocket is made of the rocket itself, the rocket fire, which is this one over here, and the bullet. And the other group is made of the other spaceships. The spaceships are A, B, and C. So in order to put the emitter in between the rocket and the spaceships, we need to create a display group in Kwik. So in order to do that, let's create an empty layer, a new layer. Let's call this one main group. Okay, because I don't want an image, let me convert this one to a vector. Just an empty image over there. And I want to create another layer for the emitter. And this one is going to be called E1 emitter. And the same, I'm going to convert it to a vector image. So there it is, we have E1 emitter and the main group converted as vector graphics, which is just a transparent image. Now let me convert these two layers into display groups as well. So let me start with main group. I'm going to convert it to a group. So there it is, and the one for the emitter is going to be a group as well. So now that we have the groups created, let's go to the first one, the main group. And this group is going to hold all the images. So let's start with the rocket group. Over here, there it is. Then above the rocket I want the emitter, so let's add that group. E1 emitter. Yeah, this one. And above the emitter I want the ships. So there it is. And let me bring the main group at the bottom. So from bottom to top we have the main group itself, then we have the spaceships. Emitter, well, not really, we have the rocket group, then the emitter, then the spaceships, and the main group. So let me bring this one over here because the order is inverted in Lua. So at the top we're gonna have the spaceships, and in between the rocket and the spaceship we're gonna have the emitter. So there we have. So the order in the groups is already done. Now let's export the project again, and because I added a couple of new layers, I need to export images again. So let's do that. Okay, it's done. Let's close this, and as you know, I like to use Zero Brain Studio as my default editor. So here I have all the files, so let's see. We need to make another change over here. The reason we exported the images was to get the name of the groups that Kwik created for us. So we can find the name of the groups. It's almost at the top of the page 1. So let's find the groups. It should be, yeah, here we have the group names. So here are the group names. We have spaceships, rocket, emitter, and main group. And I'm looking for the group for the emitter. So let me copy that one. And I'm going to go back to the library that I created last time. So here it is, it's pccreation.lua. And over here in step 2, last time I showed you that you had to add the emitter to the scene group. So this time, instead of adding the emitter to the scene group, we're going to add it to the group that we created for the emitter itself. So let me replace scene group by the name of this layer, and that's the only change we have to do. So let's go back again to Photoshop, into Kwik, disable the functionality of exporting images because we no longer need them, and we need to publish the project again so I can catch the change that I did to the external code. So let's do that. So it's finished. Let's go back to Zero Brain. Yes, and if we run the project this time, we should be able to see the particles running in between the rocket and the ships. So let me bring this over here, start the particle, and there you have it. Now the particles are showing below the spaceships. The reason it's doing that, because if you remember from the Photoshop settings in Kwik, all the magic is here inside the main group. You can rearrange the order of the display groups, and that would automatically change the order that the particles get shown. And basically the second thing that you need to have is to create a display group specifically for the emitter. And there you have it. So hopefully this video was useful. Thanks very much.